westland wind shook stirring stars with hollow murmurs blowing. When Fanny fell, all woe begone, sad on her bed was lying, and from the ruined tower she heard the boding screech owl crying. Oh, dismal night, she said and wept, oh, night presaging sorrow. Oh, dismal night, she said and wept, but more I dread tomorrow. For now the bloody hour draws nigh, each host to Preston bending, but more shall sons their father slay with deadly hate contending. Aghast she started from her bed, the fatal tidings dread. Oh, speak, she cried, my father slain. I see him bleeding, a pale corpse on the sullen shore. At morn, fair maid, I left him, even at the threshold of his gate, the foe of life bereft him. Sad was the sight, and sad the news, and sad was I.